Anyway, Lady J, how body?
Body do.
Everywhere good now.
Everywhere by God's grace.
Okay, nice. Briefly, get with you one discuss. I don't know if you see the trendy news of yesterday where one young boy he get a do birthday. So you can't say he want just send some money, give the girl get to go enjoy herself. I think he used the word freaky, right?
Is it
okay, spoil yourself.
One guy they do birthday.
The girl
they do
birthday. The boyfriend. Can't say I want to send the money to spoil yourself. Okay, so the message goes like this. Hey mommy, happy birthday, love. Thanks, yeah. And the boy said 20,000 naira.
Away.
Now the girl say, spoil myself with 20K. LOL. Thanks anyway. Now the boy say, are you for real? But the boy he take offense. He can't say, the girl can write, loss of laugh again. Just kidding. This is for cake alone, yeah? So the girl they try one understands it is 20K. Not be the spoil yourself or not just to buy cake. Because cake actually stay I think around that amount.
Even more now
some
because
not be wedding cake you want buy now.
One more the price for my own birthday in a few weeks now. Yes, 25th.
Oh.
And one I priced last week. They say for depending I think now between size 10 to 12. Now they go for like 45.
Oh, now you they go for big things now because you are capable, you are financially capable.
Not that. It's not be that.
Why you not go for small cake? There are cake that you can get 15,000 naira, 20,000 naira. Yes, small size cake.
In this time.
Yeah, it is.
How much be flour?
It is. No, I just tell you the size go this small. You know, go there in bogus. You understand? Yeah.
No,
so I don't know.
We'll go check him out.
So I think the guy always go straight, go block her.
He block her.
He block the girlfriend. Block her. The boyfriend block her. So I don't know. Some people feel say the guy overreact. There's some people also do the opinion say as far as a girlfriend and now the girl birthday 20K too this small to send to take spoil yourself. So as a lady now I want to ask you and to every other person when they hear me right now, you get any particular amount a boyfriend supposed send girlfriend on his birthday? Is there a limit you cannot go above or you cannot go below?
First of all, we guys consider the person means of livelihood. If the guy, for the guy to send 20,000, if I get a guy where I did date and he give me 20,000 naira, so he make I use and spoil myself. First of all, I go tell him thank you, because he no need to send me that money. If he decide not to send me money and just send me a WhatsApp message, post my pictures for status for Instagram, tell me happy birthday, and then that's it. But he decide to say no, make I give you this one, take spoil yourself. And he give me 20,000 naira. First of all, I need to be grateful. Secondly, how much this guy they earn? If not the rich, if not the very well-to-do guy, I go expect more. But even at that, I go still be grateful for what he gives me, because I know they're entitled to waiting they come out for in pocket. I know being wife. With their relationship, not they equal to we don't marry. I don't know if you understand where they talk. So we need to be careful how we take expect things from people. Make entitlement no go dey no con dey for inside, because you no go dey fair on that person. If na my birthday R&B you send me 1,000 naira recharge card, I go say thank you, because you don't need to send me. You know you don't have to do it, but you do am. So for that gesture, I dey grateful.
So for boyfriend to go.
Now wetin he get? Now wetin he get? You go give me. What if he no get unko? May we dey very objective here. What if he no get unko? What did I go do? No now. Because he says spoil yourself. You know how many people go carry 10K, give you say use and buy drink water. Tell the truth, if you use 10K, take drink water. No. But now just say I just use them, get anything.
So you like. Blame the girl for not being appreciative.
Yeah, she not the appreciative, number one. Second, I feel say the guy overreact. This is not something we fit talk about.
So for the guy to react like that, maybe 9 days date the girl, so you go know the girl old behavior. You go certainly know say the girl
yes.
So all these things now build up of waiting the so I send you 20K now. So if I do last time when I send you this more money, say it's not better just get out block. But who the block the fee on block? You get me? No. But for me as a man though, I feel say since now birthday, I don't know if the guy buy gift for her. I don't know. But I feel it's better to just use that money to buy something tangible when the girl not get idea of the price what it be. Instead of me to send, see if really say legit listen.
I go very happy.
Hold on,
you that 20K.
Normally you go thank anybody when you give you money now legit now. What's the problem?
No. You they take and go another.
No, now listen to which I want to talk first. Listen, pay attention to I don't be the young. You understand?
Yeah, see.
So listen now. If now birthday gift with that 20K, then I feel say the guy not try in all totality. Why? Because if now me be the guy, since I know say now 20K I get, I will convert her to something tangible, which is a gift, which I go give the girl. So most time a gift, you cannot tell the price. And say maybe you just be oju kokoro when you go to check, go say how much you did buy this thing to find that. Now one interesting thing about gift with that 20K could have gone for something when the girl not go really reason. That if to say that money na the birthday gift, I speak as an African man right now because we get doings. We dey show our women doings. Now why we be king? You get me, and our women are queen.
You be sugar zaddy now.
So instead of me sending that money because the money na 20K, I don't know the value of 20K right now. I'll convert that to gift. Then if you have to say I want even send money self, and I not get more than that, I not go bother send money. I go later, okay, let's go out and eat. And I'll make sure say I go to restaurants where I fit buy one, probably like 8K. Maybe our food on one chop, go there around and still get small money to join that 20K. You go create memory. Okay. People, especially for relationship, they know they value money. I'm telling you the fact, where I know from my own experience, they don't value money. Now make, if you like, give woman 1 million naira. If you they hold like 5,000 naira, after I give her that one, you go ask you for that 5,000 naira when they hold her. I don't know if you get me, but guess what? Use that 1 million to buy gift. They go add drama on top. I don't know if you get. So gifts, they get more worth than money when it comes to present. So when it comes to birthday, I want to do this for
but
person.
But you know, say people they different.
Like how?
People they different. Like I talk, you say me. I would normally thank anybody with you. But I go thank you because first of all, I know they're entitled to you. Now the truth. But if they say I did date that kind of person, he send me that kind of money, say take, let me spoil you. He send me 20,000 naira. Thank you.
Your boyfriend?
Yes. I go tell him thank you. I go
happy. As a lady, you not go prefer gifts than that money.
First of all,
say maybe you dey broke, you dey look for money to take stuff some certain things. Now that money go be like
no, not at all. I be somebody the way they raise me. You dey thankful for the smallest thing where anybody fit give you. So I dey talk from the point of how they take raise me, and I go talk am again. I know they entitled to waiting in your pocket. First of all, I know be your wife. We never marry. If we say we don't marry, I feel vex say, as your babe, as your wife. Now only this money you take, even at that self, you don't know how things be. I go need to put a balance to how I respond or how I react to waiting my boyfriend forgive me, waiting my husband forgive me. Now the truth of the matter be that. So she need to first of all, they grateful. They extremely grateful for waiting person give you. No, they anyway, maybe I don't come to the point because I know they expect anything from anyone any longer. But no. I think she needs to be grateful first of all because she don't know whether if I do much more than that. And Yorubas get this adage, Kudus get the adage say Piki where they grateful for the small, where they give her, he go get more. Now how did they talk him? Even Pop please sing up on his song. Ari oni ogba. Abi say Piki where they grateful for the small, where they give her. You know,
you see, not Jersey now. What you concern Jersey concern adage.
No, but not true now. But this is some of the things where we live by, where would they go by? When you dey grateful, if I give Kudus 500 naira and the way he thank me, tomorrow he go encourage me to do
more.
Yes, I go say for that 500 naira, say as he thank
not be
me.
relationship when everybody dey entitled, especially women. Now, why if it's a gift would have just be better? You get me?
Anybody give me gift, to give me money, I go
just buy gift. Just buy gift. No, now you know first say thank you before Lady G. I don't do that.
No way.
This one where your birthday they come. So what be the plans? Really? This one we want to do cake. You want to do party because a big number you want to answer now. No. And not be big number.
Which big number? No. Hey. No wonder they yap me like that.
No.
I never reach.
You never reach 50.
I know Senior Godwin. No. Hey, wait.
Godwin never reach 50.
No.
Why Godwin can't they shut up and down?
No.
Okay, no Sam reach. Oh, no Sam not day 50.
They always they yap me.
I'm saying no wonder.
Baby lady. No water.
But Godwin, okay, oh, Godwin, even 40, Godwin, why 45?
They're 45. They go 46.
Okay, don't do 45.
You don't do 45.
Because now 45, you tell us, say you go fly us, go Dubai for a birthday.
Now 50.
Okay, now 50, don't push and go front. Okay, I think now 45. Can they calculate that date? Okay. You that, which one you want to enter now? Which one you want to enter, so?
Why is this man?
No, I want to know now. I know how the party go take top. You know, say it depends on the age when you want to enter.
I know.
90 they celebrate birthday. So why you buy cake?
I know, and my birthday make I no celebrate with cake. It's my birthday, so I want cake.
But you go come office.
That is our office day now.
Okay. Me will see chop. Now only cake you want to do.
Why they ask me?
I want to know my plan. I know if I know chop con that day. I better put her for the day where they work. I beg.
Now people will love me now. They throw a party for.
Okay. Oh, I don't love you. I better record this thing. Mona, pull camera for Lady J. Lady J. I judge people when I love you, right?
I know.
No. Maybe what they hear you now because when I start to the act like person when not love you, then maybe you go clear for your eye.
They love your party. Your last party. You invite me.
Which people? When last I do party?
January 1st. You know do party.
I've not done my birthday celebration for 3 years straight.
For
now.
3 years.
I swear. I never do. 3 years. I'll be 2 years.
No,
I 2 years straight.
Which party where they do for your birthday?
No,
invite me.
Those years ago, and you not go feel corner. I hear waiting. Someone don't want to do that food. I never hear that mama put money want to the fit people for Lagos. Has it started? That is it. When you talk for that interview.
How visible that thing go be?
Whether visible or not, if you feed the fit people once a day or twice a day, is okay. Because people know the seafood chop now.
I guess.
Now I make everybody now.
Do I talk say how visible? Now the stampede I dey fear.
You know, go no, not different. Not be just one place. Go be different according to that. I think you say 1,000 mama put more. More 1,000 spot or mama put more. Yes, now government go sort them. Okay. It go be like, oh, how much does it take you to feed 100 people in a day? That's okay. Now 400,000. Government will give them 500,000, 100,000 for the inconveniences. Or cook this free food. The people in this community line up, give them food in the morning. You guys, please don't they work on the
logistics,
on the plans and every.
Okay.
It will be a good because me feel line up too. If you see me, say hi to me. I don't. Send
beg go.
Say hi to me.
Say hi to us. So we say we be human.
Lady J, you want to there too?
We be human.
You want to buy cake 45K? Don't no, man, not see for front of mama put more. I'm going to tell you. I beg, I want your Papa Jide Sanwo-Olu, my able governor, please. I beg. This mama put more. Add the people when they sell like wagon and bread journal. I beg. Now wait till I fit chop outside with that.
No be chop amala.
No, I prefer wagon and bread early in the morning. But in the afternoon, I fit do amala and ewedu and little bit of you just touch on with begiri.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.